feeling kind of weird recently. I feel like I've not accomplished anything in like the past week. I'm just feeling super unmotivated to accomplish anything. Every day is just like the same and I'm bored. Today I'm taking a personal day. Even though the past week has been a personal day, every single day. It's been a personal week. I'm taking you on a personal day, a mental health day. I'm just gonna be showing you ways that help me get out of a funk and feel a little better. Obviously, it might not completely solve your problem, but it's better to at least try to make yourself feel better. So this is how I get out of a funk. One thing that always makes me feel better is just taking care of my simple, basic needs like personal hygiene and doing a little bit of self-care, because when I deal with things on a physical level, it definitely helps me on a mental level as well. So sometimes I'll take a bath or a shower and do a whole routine like exfoliate, shave, use my nice hair products, stuff like that. It just makes me feel super clean, and then I feel at least a little bit more motivated to continue doing things for the day. Having a clear space is also super important for me to have a clear mind. So making my bed so I can't get back into it and tidying up my workspace, again, just gives me another reason to do something instead of wallowing in a dirty room. Currently doing my September reflections page. I started doing these pages a few months ago, and I just put a few questions and answer them and talk about how my month went, how I was feeling, my goals for the next month, and so on. Journaling is one of the best ways to clear my head and just get things off my chest, and I talk about it all the time, but it's very therapeutic, and sometimes I don't even have to do any kind of deep page about my feelings. I can just do it for fun, and it just gives me something else to do besides going on my phone and staying in bed all day. One of the most important steps for me, and probably for everyone who's not feeling the greatest, is to talk to someone about it. I've always heard great things about therapy, but I never thought my problems were important enough to try it. But I started using BetterHelp, and I seriously can't recommend it enough. So thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Is there something interfering with your happiness or is preventing you from achieving your goals? BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your own licensed professional therapist, and you can start communicating within 48 hours. It's not a crisis line, it's not self-help, it's professional therapy done securely online. There's a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapist network, which may not be locally available in many areas, but the service is available for clients worldwide. You can log into your account anytime and send a message to your therapist, and you'll get timely and thoughtful responses. Plus, you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions so you won't ever have to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room as with traditional therapy. BetterHelp is committed to facilitating great therapeutic matches, so they make it easy and free to change therapists if needed. It's more affordable than traditional offline therapy, and financial aid is available. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today. Visit betterhelp.com/EmmaClaire, that's better HELP, and join the over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. There's also a special offer for you guys. You can get 10% off your first month at betterhelp.com/EmmaClaire. I recently took up the guitar. I've gone through phases where I've played the acoustic guitar, but then I recently bought this guitar, an electric one, on Etsy, and I have an amp coming, so I'm not good yet, but I'm gonna be. I feel like I'm always involved in some kind of hobby, and I love having hobbies because it's a healthy way to keep yourself occupied and learn new things, because the great thing about having a hobby is that you can always improve your skill level and you're constantly learning, because once I finish a book, for example, I can always pick up another book, or with a guitar, I can only keep getting better and learn new songs. This one's overstated, but it's definitely underrated. But just slowing down, taking a deep breath, it always helps calm me down and take my mind off the stress that I'm feeling in the moment.